Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a public figure on Facebook. First, log into your personal Facebook account. This is the essential first step to access the page creation tools. Next, locate the Pages section on the left-hand menu and click Create New Page. When prompted, select the public figure category. This ensures your page has the correct features for public engagement and visibility, setting the stage for your online presence. Now, let's fill in the crucial details for your new page. Choose a page name that is easily identifiable and consistent with your public persona. Then, craft a concise yet engaging description that clearly communicates your role or brand to visitors. Finally, upload a professional profile picture and a captivating cover photo. These visual elements are vital for making a strong first impression and attracting your target audience, so choose them carefully. To maximize engagement, add essential contact information and a clear call to action button, like follow or learn more. This guides visitors on how to interact with you. Also, link your other social media profiles and your official website to create a cohesive online presence. Remember to post consistently with high-quality content, such as updates, photos, and videos, to keep your audience interested and growing. Aim for at least 3 to 5 posts per week. Finally, let's focus on growing your audience. Start by inviting your friends and existing followers from your personal Facebook profile to like your new public figure page. Share your page link widely across all your other social media platforms and your website. For broader reach, consider utilizing Facebook's advertising tools. Even a small budget can help you target specific demographics and expand your visibility significantly, connecting you with thousands of potential followers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.